Andromeda Galaxy, October 17, 2011. Dearest ones, we are from the domain of fire and light, of unity of all souls and sacred divine core essence in the Andromeda Galaxy. Beloved humans from planet Earth, peace be with you. Peace is the most crucial quality you must live and exercise in your very heart, starting from now. If you haven't done so already, a short moment in eternity is given to you to prepare. Please, dearest ones, take notice. There is no sudden awakening, and you are all light in the blink of an eye. Awakening and enlightenment must be practiced and exercised as a conscious process. For some it is a long process still ahead. How do you practice this peace? Did you try? If you can do it, what does it tell you? We have spoken in our last communication about the glory of the divine, the truth of happiness and love, which are qualities of the living divinity. We have spoken to you from the white fires that travel along the grids of consciousness to enlighten the worlds and all beings. So, how do you bring together this message of joy, love and ecstasy with your own receptivity and realization of it to the degree that you truly are living it? When divine peace and joy is not yours in your heart yet, know that it still exists and is very real, but obviously there is something in your being, in your feeling, in your thinking, in your heart and energy field which resists divinity as such. It does not allow it to enter and to inform your life so that it is a divine event. Yes, your life, a divine event. The reason for it not to be so, the reason that there is not yet peace in your heart and life then, is that you as a self-responsible being, are not aware of what darkens your heart, your emotions and your thinking as it is hidden to your consciousness. If you cannot find peace, and we mean a peace which exists as your whole being, know that you have work to do. The coming events require from you this peace, this equanimity, this calmness, which allows you to be love. Dearest ones, we urge you to enter the process of your own cleanup. Without it, ascension is only a future event for you, and Earth will ascend without you. She will not wait much longer, as she has decided to move on in the near future. Dearest ones, there are legions of forces of light, waiting to help you in this process. But you must be the one who recognizes the sparks of darkness you have been allowed to govern you. And it must be you who asks the divine light for help. Darkness cannot exist where light is. Your conscious willingness and explicit desire to replace any dark corner in your being with divine light is required to allow your clean-up process to be successful. This process of calling upon the divine light to abide you is an ongoing requirement without taking a vacation in between. There is not much time left, dear ones, to stretch this process any longer into some vague future. You might be one of those who think that they have done it all already, considering themselves to be already of pure light. Do not deceive yourself, dear ones. As long as you still live in the density of this three-dimensional realm, still governed by darker forces, there are always plenty of occasions where secretly impure impulses can nest themselves into your consciousness without your awareness. Sleeping means that you are not aware of it because you think you have made it already. This is, however, the most dangerous disposition. You must under all circumstances always be aware and alert to make sure that your house is always radiant with light and without interference. You must clean yourself from moment to moment. This is the greatest service you can do for your planet, for humanity, and also for your own ascension. All this work is necessary without doubt to make sure that the divine light can take hold of you and of every single person in your world that desires ascension. Dear ones, please consider this your responsibility that you have, because it is you who has chosen this path yourself, but who might still not remember it or is not aware of it in its fullest meaning and requirements. All we want is to inspire you to be alert, take full responsibility for yourself, Dedicate yourself fullest to this service of your own choice and be one with the great universal process of shifting your beloved planet Earth and yourself as humanity into divine realms, where only light is. The totality of divine light and help, joy and love is always present and available to you, even now. Be at peace. Can you be it, in any moment? Choose well. Our blessings are with you. Know that you are so much loved.